How to clean a carpet by hand. There are few things more luxurious than a soft and fluffy carpet. However, despite your best efforts to keep your floors spotless, your carpet will inevitably need some TLC now and again. Fortunately, giving your carpet the love it deserves is simple to do all by yourself, using tools you've likely already got around the house. We've assembled a couple of methods to help you make your floor look brand new again without the use of a carpet cleaning machine. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to deep cleaning a carpet by hand, spot cleaning water-soluble stains by hand, and spot cleaning other common stains by hand. Now let's get started. Things you'll need: vacuum, carpet cleaning machine, baking soda, white vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, rug brush, spray bottle, microfiber cloths. Method 1. Deep cleaning a carpet by hand. Number 1. Agitate the carpet. Sweep the carpet with a carpet brush, or use a broom and dustpan. This will agitate the dirt and debris buried deep in the carpet and bring it to the surface. Number 2. Vacuum the carpet. Now that you've brushed all the hidden soil to the top of the carpet, it will be easier to sweep up. Agitating and vacuuming your carpet should be completed as a precursor to deeper cleaning. But whether you deep clean afterward or not, to keep your carpet looking fresh, you should agitate and vacuum it regularly, about twice weekly. Number 3. Sprinkle baking soda and salt over the carpet. Combine equal parts baking soda and salt in a bowl. Then, evenly spread the mixture out over your carpet. Baking soda and salt will help scrub out dirt in the carpet fibers and absorb odors. If you don't want to make your own cleaning solution, you can use commercial carpet shampoo instead. Number 4. Mist the carpet with cold water. Apply the water to the carpet using a spray bottle. Mist until the carpet is damp, but not soaking wet. Number 5. Scrub the wet baking soda and salt mixture into the carpet. Using a carpet brush, work in small areas at a time, maybe a 3 foot by 3 foot patch. Scrub in all directions, first moving back and forth and then up and down. This will ensure the mixture is thoroughly interacting with every carpet fiber. Scoop up any excess mixture. You can also use a combination of equal parts white vinegar and water instead of baking soda and salt. Add the vinegar and water to a spray bottle, mist the carpet one patch at a time, then blot excess liquid with a microfiber cloth. Number 6. Let the carpet dry, then vacuum up the leftover powder. Let the baking soda mixture sit on the carpet for at least an hour. The longer you leave the mixture in the carpet, the more odor it will absorb. Now your carpet is fresh and clean. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Spot cleaning water-soluble stains by hand. Number 1. Combine detergent and water. This mixture will clear up most water-soluble stains, such as coffee, tea, blood, alcoholic beverages, excrement, mud, and washable ink. Use 1/4 teaspoon, 1.2 milliliters of non-bleach laundry detergent and 4c, 950 milliliters of water. You may need something stronger to remove tough water-soluble stains including coffee, blood, or wine. Try ammonia. Mix 1 US TBSP, 15 milliliters of ammonia and 1c, 240 milliliters of water. Ammonia can cause burns or breathing issues if it comes into contact with skin or is ingested, so make sure to wear gloves and keep the area well ventilated if you use ammonia. Number 2. Apply the mixture to the stain. Dip a clean white towel into the mixture and blot the stain carefully. Continue to blot until the stain lifts. You can also use a microfiber towel for this. Number 3. Rinse the spot thoroughly and let the carpet dry. Use clean, hot water, and be sure not to soak your carpet. Until the carpet is dry, avoid walking on it. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Spot cleaning other common stains by hand. Number 1. Mix white vinegar and water to spot clean urine. Combine equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. After soaking up as much urine as you can with a dry cloth, blot the spot with a damp cloth, then spray the stain with the vinegar and water mixture. Next, combine 1–2 teaspoon, 2.5 ml of clear, mild, non-bleach detergent and 4C, 950 ml of water, and apply this mixture to the stain. Rinse and blot dry. Number 2. Use a towel and iron for fat and oil. Apply a paper towel to the stain and then heat the paper towel with a clothes iron. The stain should lift from the carpet and stick to the paper towel instead. Number 3. Use a cotton ball and rubbing alcohol for glue stains. Wet the cotton ball, or a soft cloth with the alcohol and apply it to the stain. Once the glue is moistened, rub it off the carpet. Number 4. Use ice to remove gum or wax. Apply the ice to the stain to freeze it. Once the gum or wax is frozen, scrape it off with a dull object, such as a spoon edge or a butter knife. Before the pieces warm up and cling to the carpet again, vacuum them up. Number 5. Let mud dry before vacuuming it. Combine 1 teaspoon, 4.9 ml of dish detergent with 1C, 240 ml of warm water and apply to the stain. Blot until the stain is gone, and then let the spot dry. Number 6. Use nail polish remover to clean up nail polish. Dip a rag or paper towel in nail polish remover and blot the nail polish until it is gone. Number 7. Use a dull blade to remove cigarette burns. A butter knife works well. Gently scrape at the cigarette burn with the blade until the stain is gone. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. What is the best homemade carpet cleaning solution? Vinegar. Stir 1 tablespoon of dish soap into 1 quart of warm water, then add 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar. This is a good overall cleaner. Be sure to test the solution on a small, inconspicuous spot on your carpet before applying it to the stain. Club soda. Club soda works as a cleanser when it is spritzed on carpet. It's great for removing blood and wine stains. Apply a small amount of soda on the stain, then using a dry cloth or a paper towel, blot the surface until the stain is lifted. Rub rather than scrub the carpet fibers. How to deep clean carpet with snow. 1. Take your rug outside and shake it to release as much dirt as possible. Let it sit for about 30 minutes so it acclimates to a lower temperature. 2. Pile 3 to 5 inches of snow on top of the rug, using a broom to evenly distribute the snow. 3. Beat the snowy rug using the flat side of the broom. Ammonia in the snow will react with the cold air, causing the dirt hidden deep in the rug to solidify. 4. Let the snow rest on the rug for 15 to 20 minutes. Then, flip it over and repeat steps 1 through 3 with the other side. 5. Remove as much excess snow as you can before hanging the rug up for 20 to 30 minutes. The snow will eventually evaporate without leaving the carpet wet. Tips for cleaning your carpet without a machine. 1. Always use the gentlest cleaning method possible. 2. Always spot test your cleaner before applying it to a noticeable area on your carpet. 3. Limit moisture, which can encourage mold and mildew to grow. 4. Open your windows to help moisture evaporate. 5. Move your furniture out of the way to give you a better workspace. 6. Blot, don't scrub. Scrubbing can spread a stain or embed it deeper into the pile. 7. If you're cleaning the whole carpet, start in a corner and work your way across. You want to avoid stepping over areas you've already cleaned, especially if they're still wet or covered in powder. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.